something that we've never shared with you on this channel before? It's one specific software that's gonna pay you PayPal money for free. It's a very convenient way to earn because you can do it on any device available to you and on either Apple or Android devices, so there's really nothing to worry about. We're first going to discuss 2 free apps that's going to pay you just to download it, and it's much more different than the first app that we're going to be showing you, and you'll see how that goes in a sec. Our website for today is available worldwide and it is 100% free. We're going to be walking you through today's whole method step by step, just so that you guys can follow through and not get confused or lost. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you guys won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The first website is called SMSapp.com, and this is how their website looks like. Money SMS App Make Money Online is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by our system and customers. The main features of Money SMS is that it is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically from your phone by receiving SMS. It works on Android. You can earn money online from this. It's secure, it's automatic, there's even a referral program, and it's free. Now the steps to this website is step 1, you can sign up. Step 2, you're going to receive automatic test SMS. And step 3, you're going to get paid. It's that easy. Now you can get paid 2 cents for every SMS. You can keep track of the transaction status. You can withdraw money through payment systems. You can withdraw that money within 48 hours. And you can keep track of income in reports. Now, why are you getting paid? Now, a lot of telecom, SMS providers, and mobile network operators need to send SMS test messages to foreign countries to verify and ensure the proper delivery of their SMS. You actually get paid because we use your phone number to provide such testing services. Please note that we do not read your private messages, so that's a relief. Now, is this website a scam or is it legit? At Money SMS, we take all the necessary measures to ensure that we comply with the latest GDPR privacy policy requirements. If you're not sure whether we pay our users, you can check the proofs of payment from many of our users on an independent website. So that's basically the whole website. So make sure you download it easily to just get paid. As easy as 1, 2, 3. You can also sign up on their website by clicking on sign up and going from there, and that's literally it. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Our second website is called CashMagnetApp.com, and this is how their website looks like. Get money from your Android phone. We pay for every minute of that time when you do nothing. We have the largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs in one place. You do not need to perform tasks, watch ads, or play games. Earnings will come in an absolutely autonomous and passive mode. Prepare to earn several times more. In only 2 months of working with Cash Magnet, you can buy another phone that works for you around the clock. And that's how thousands of our satisfied users do it. It's absolutely safe. We guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. Earn money using your phone for doing nothing. Absolutely passive income. This website can pay you out through PayPal, Amazon, Google, Play Store, Apple Music, PlayStation, and Xbox as well. So that's pretty much the website. You just download it on either your iPhone or your Android phone, and just like that, you're gonna get paid just by letting it run in the background, which is why this app and the last app is very easy and convenient, and we want you guys to really try it out and to just earn money passively. You can also just sign up by filling this up right here, and that's literally it. So make sure that you try this app out as well, and we demand that you do. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Our last website is called current.us, and the way that you're going to be earning from this website is by listening to all your favorite stuff and getting paid for it. You can do this on your phone or your computer or your tablet. It doesn't even matter. You just need a stable internet connection and you're gonna get paid either way. You can earn more points the more you play. You can play your favorite music. You can spend your points on in-app features or gift cards to your favorite services. You can search and play from 100,000 radio stations. You can earn points by playing your favorite music. You can spend your points on your favorite brands, and that's basically a rundown of the website. You can just go on Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and look for all of these apps, download them, and just start earning just like that. Now, before we wrap things up, let's go through the websites once again and the whole process. First website is called Money SMS App. Next website is called Cash Magnet App. And then lastly is the current.us app. And you're going to download all of the three websites. Download it all on either your Android phone or your Apple phone. And just allow it to run in the background for Cash Magnet and Money SMS. And for Current, just become a member. Sign up. You can also download this on your phone, but you have to create an account. And just like that, you can start making money. So make sure that you guys really try all these websites out. If you only try one of the three, then you're not going to be getting the money that we initially promised you. If you only do two of the three websites, then you're still not going to get the money that we promised you. Because we're showing you three websites, which means that you must try all three websites to earn the money that we really promised you that you could get, and the income that you can make off of these three websites. They're very easy to navigate, very easy to just download on your phone, easy to let them just run in the background. They're safe, so you don't need to worry about any invasion of privacy. And literally, it's the easiest thing. It's the most convenient thing. You can take it around with you anywhere you go, to lunch, to a party, to your office work. You can be earning money while you're working as well, which is the best thing about it too. So just make sure you try all three. You're not going to lose anything. In fact, you might even gain something. For sure, you're going to gain something. And the only way to really know is to go onto the websites. Take your opportunity, take your chance, because not everyone's going to come across our video today. So not everyone is going to have the great opportunity to earn money by literally doing nothing. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.